What do you mean choose my card? I don't know how to play this game.
Oh my, choose a card and
You have
click
to
confirm
make it
selection. That's it.
sense.
Still
Choose a
a
card
black
that makes the
card.
sentence sense.
You like finish.
What
the
just
sentence.
happened?
What?
You just kicked me
Oh
out.
my, I did it.
The
Oh,
card
you're
says-
yeah. So that
What is
means
that?
we have to make it make sense, and then you get to
Pick the
vote
one that
which one
makes
is
sense.
just the funniest.
Oh, so I have the power.
We all do.
Well, this is more funny.
Pulling out. High five, bro.
What do you mean though?
Murder.
Like, why are you high-fiving a bro? That's not good. For American Indians was forever changed when the white man introduced them to
Oh my god, oh my god.
Mm,
what?
yeah. Mm,
Mm-mm. Better. It's better.
Let's go. Hey, what is the KKK? It's like a
The people with the white cone head, racist.
candlelit dinner would be incomplete without lines. Period.
Let's go, let's go. Oh my god.
Dang it.
That's just. They're both stupid.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to choose this one.
Let's go, let's go. I don't know how to read that.
Mm,
Just the hunt for.
I think I got this
Alright.
one.
But then, come on.
Oh.
Liz, you're so much better.
What?
Oh.
I'm pretty sure at this point you're
It
just trying to
feels like-
team up on me and not pick mine.
I'm
Because how does
not-
that make
oh
sense?
my
How?
God.
I don't even understand it.
Yeah, I don't understand either. What the fuck? Makes no sense.
What?
What does that mean?
Wait.
What happens if you search that up? What's that smell? I did. What? Oh,
Let's go. Finally, finally.
Next game.
this one kind of makes sense. What? Huh? What? Oh
Let's
my-
go.
You have to pick two of them this time.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, of
It's just
course,
pick
I'm the
two.
card czar person.
Neither of them make any sense at all. And the Kung Pao chicken. I
No, if I wasn't a card, bro, I like had the best one.
What? How's that right? How's that right?
Obviously, it's gonna be this one.
let's go.
Please.
Let's go.
You want?
Let's go.
Bro, why would
Star
why
Wars.
would I pick Star
Star
Wars? Tell
Wars.
me that.
'Cause you
Why would I
love-
pick Star
Okay,
Wars?
that actually makes sense.
Let's go. Let's go.
That would. I feel like I've seen a hat. You're saying extreme baseball. It's like baseball with.
What are you still talking?
Thank you. Thank you.
What?
It's better than some guy. Then some guy happens. Good one.
Trump's great. Trump's got blank. I love that.
This would actually make a lot of sense.
What? Stop laughing. Choose it.
Oh.
My God, dude.
Yes.
Good card.
Yes. Because I've had this like the whole game. I just save it until I actually use it.
Oh well. Oh, you won.
Did I win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I know?
Look at
Oh, I
the-
see it. I see it.
Then-
Let's go.
You're not a boy. You're not a man if you do not choose the one I think you're gonna choose. Science will never explain. Bruh, I literally have the perfect card. Well, should I tell you guys? Since it won't really matter.
Sure.
Oh, okay. It had. I kind of.
Let's go. Let's go.
It was girls. That's it. This one doesn't make sense. It makes
Oh,
sense.
God. Oh my god.
I don't know why you're laughing because the one I had makes sense. Listen, what? Makes
What?
sense.
I only picked it because he had 0 points.
Oh my god.
I felt bad. I felt
Thank
bad.
you.
I had to get him on the board somewhere. Oh my god. If you don't pick this, there's something wrong with you. Okay, thank you.
really
If you didn't
flat.
pick that, there would just be something wrong with you, and I would just leave the game and never play this trash game ever.
If you actually don't choose that one, you're actually teaming up.
Okay.
Please.
What?
Oh.
I thought that was
Alright,
yours.
new
How is
game,
that?
new
How
game,
is that
new
teaming
game,
up?
new game.
You can't tell me
Twitter.
that's not just better. You're saying if you don't choose that one, you're teaming up, and that's not your card. Then why?
You're so stupid. You can
Why would
literally
you
have
pick
sentence
mine?
What do you
either
mean?
head.
All because this was better.
Yeah, but like the sentence.
No matter
Make
just
sense
eating
of
some
it.
man's head. Cheating. You're just cheating.
What? That was fun.
That's why you lagged out.
Bitch, I'm on the south side, but I'm repping east side. I was down bad to the bag, made a beeline.